everybody, it's Lisa Robson here again, otherwise known as Mester Magic when you see me on Facebook or Instagram. I'm here today just with a little video just to show you how to do something a little bit different with the polka dot number stamps that were available on Lisa's last show. These are the stamps. We all absolutely love them, and they stamp beautifully, and I am going to actually show you how to make a flower using the naught, the 0. It's quite a large flower, but it makes quite a statement on a gift bag or a little box, or in this case I'm going to put it onto a tag. So in the set you get all the numbers and the ordinals, today, birthday, and you get these cute little stars as well. So first of all, you want to take your naught stamp and put it on a block, obviously. I'm going to be using a pink ink today, just so that you can see it. You can use any colour you want, any ink you want. So basically just start off by just inking up your stamp and just put it down. And what you're going to do for the first layer of the flower is just stamp it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 times to count then. So stamp, first of all, your 2 zeros opposite each other that way, vertically, I think that is, isn't it? And then again horizontally. It doesn't matter if the stamp overlaps in the centre, and to be honest, if you want to make your flower larger, leave a bigger gap, or if you want to make it a little bit smaller, make sure that all the centre points are touching. So that is 4 times again, isn't it? So you do it vertically, horizontally, and then you've guessed it, we're going to go diagonally like that. So as you can see, we've already got a flower forming like that. Now the flower that I'm about to make has got 4 layers to it and then a centre, and for the centre I actually use the Daisy Burst Flourish stamp, but I mean you can make your flower as many layers or as less layers as you want, it's up to you. But this bright idea came to me one night. I'm a typical Yorkshire lass, like a bargain, like to get more for my money, and I thought, oh, what else can I do with these number stamps? And so this is what I came up with. So once you've stamped your flower like that, then you want to cut it out. I've prepared a couple earlier because you don't need to see me cutting round, and as you can see that this one's a little bit higgledy-piggledy. It's not quite, in fact the one I've just done for you now looks better than that one. It's typical, isn't it? But that's one layer, and that's another layer, so that's 2 layers. And what I do, so that those, sorry, I'm rambling now. So you need those 2 layers, but then I also have done it again twice, just with horizontal and vertical, just the 4, stamping it 4 times. And then what I like to do is actually get my scissors and actually cut in each petal like that, just so that you can get a little bit more dimension. And then using my fingers, I just roll the petals around my fingers just to give them a gentle curve. I mean, you could use a ball tool on a mat if you wanted, but just to give those petals a curve. And the same, I've cut those again, so I'm just going to roll that in my fingers. There you go. Just to give it a little bit. I mean, you can leave it flat, it's up to you. So that's those two, and then the same with the 4 petals. And then just using a little bit of my glue. I like to, typical, need to get the, just put a pin in it for a start off. There we go. Still not working. There we go. I like to just slightly offset the petals like that. But it's up to you, you can do it, there's no rules, just do it however you want. So that is the main flower. I'll just put that to one side to dry. And then for the centre, I've used the large polka dot flower from the, which is that one there, which is from the daisy based stamp set. This is a lovely flower as well. So I'll put that onto my block. Stamp that out, and once again you can either cut it once or you can cut it twice, however many layers you want in the centre of that flower. And then you can put that in the centre of your flower like that, and just leave that to dry for a minute, so that it should look like that. And then what I've done is I've using the flag dies, these were available on the last show. These are beautiful and they're just so useful. I've cut out two layers. I've cut a pink layer to match the flower and then a white layer. And just a little tip, I didn't have any pink card to match the flower that I'd made. So what I did, I just used an alcohol marker. I went round the edge of the card. So then I've got a perfectly matching card to the flower. And I'm going to actually make this tag for a 21st birthday. You can do with those numbers, you can do any age. You can do 29 again, you can do 31, you can do 52. I don't know, every birthday is special, so whichever you like. So I'm just going to ink that up. I'm just going to put that there. There you go. They stamp beautifully. And then I'm just going to zhuzh my flower up. And then I've got a foam pad. So I'll stick a foam pad on the back of my flower and stick that onto my tag. And that centre is just crying out for a little gem. I'm using the pearls that are from Lisa's shop. Should have got my tweezers ready. And then just stick that pearl in the centre, and there you have it. So when you get your stamps, have a look at them, whichever stamps they are, and just think, oh, could I use them in a different way? I've made a gift box which was on the show last Friday, and I put that on one of the posts. It was a blue teal colour, but there's just an idea of something that you can do with your number 0 stamp. Thank you, bye.